Hello everyone, welcome to Bodha Academy. I am Kamlakar, lecturer in physics. In this video, we will discuss about oscillations. A particle is said to be in simple harmonic motion if it satisfies the following conditions. First one, its motion must be periodic. Second one, it must make to and fro motion. Third one, its acceleration is proportional to displacement and must be in opposite direction. That is, A is proportional to minus x. Time taken to complete one oscillation is known as time period. Number of oscillations completed in 1 second is called as frequency. The relation between frequency and time period is given as frequency is equals to reciprocal of time period. The magnitude of angular velocity is known as angular frequency omega, and it is given as omega is equals to 2 pi by capital T. That's also equals to 2 pi f, where capital T is time period, f is frequency of oscillations. Phase at any instant represents state of vibrating particle at that point with respect to its position and direction. SI unit of phase is radian. Pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. Let us discuss about various forms of displacement equations used in SHM. Suppose if a particle starts its motion from mean position and executes SHM about y-axis, then displacement of particle at any instant of time is given as y is equals to r sine omega t, where r is amplitude and omega t is phase. Suppose particle starts with an initial phase phi, then y is equals to r sine omega t plus phi. Here omega t plus phi is called as phase and phi is phase constant or epoch. If particle starts its motion from extreme position and executes SHM about y-axis, then displacement of particle at any instant of time is given as y is equals to r cos omega t. If particle starts its motion from mean position and executes SHM about x-axis, then displacement of particle at any instant of time is given as x is equals to r sine omega t. If particle starts its motion from extreme position and executes SHM about x-axis, then displacement of particle at any instant of time is given as x is equals to r cos omega t. The displacement of particle executing SHM can also be expressed as y is equals to a sine omega t plus b cos omega t. This equation is equivalent to y is equals to a sine omega t plus phi, where a is resultant amplitude and is given as a is equals to square root of a square plus b square, and phi is resultant phase and is given as phi is equals to tan inverse b by a. The differential equation in SHM is given as d square y by dt square plus omega square y is equals to 0. Consider a particle starting its motion from extreme position and executes SHM about x-axis. Then displacement of particle at any instant of time is given as x is equals to r cos omega t, where r is amplitude and omega t is phase. The velocity of particle at any instant of time is given as v is equals to minus r omega sine omega t. It is also given as v is equals to omega into square root of r square minus x square. At mean position, velocity is maximum, that is v is equals to r omega. At extreme position, velocity is minimum, that is v is equals to 0. The graph between velocity and displacement in SHM is an ellipse. The average speed of particle executing SHM is given as V average is equals to 4r by capital T, where r is amplitude and capital T is time period. The acceleration of particle at any instant of time t is given as a is equals to minus r omega square cos omega t. It is also expressed as A is equals to minus omega square x. At mean position, acceleration is minimum and is equal to 0. At extreme position, acceleration is maximum and is equals to minus omega square r. The graph between acceleration and displacement is a straight line passing through origin with a negative slope. The graphs showing variations of position, velocity, acceleration of a particle in SHM when particle starts its motion from extreme position are as shown in figure. Force acting on a particle in SHM. Suppose if a particle starts its motion from extreme position and executes SHM about x-axis, then force acting on the particle is given as F is equals to minus m omega square x. This expression can also be expressed as F is equals to minus kx, where k is equals to m omega square. At mean position, force is minimum and is equals to 0. At extreme position, force is equals to minus m omega square r. Time period of a particle executing SHM is given as t is equals to 2 pi into under root magnitude of displacement by magnitude of acceleration. A particle is executing SHM. When it is at position y1, then its speed is v1. And when its position is y2, then its speed is v2. In such case, the time period of oscillation of particle is given as t is equals to 2 pi into under root y1 square minus y2 square whole thing divided by v2 square minus v1 square. Kinetic energy of a particle executing SHM when particle starts its motion from extreme position is given as k is equals to half m omega square into r square minus x square. It is also expressed as k is equals to half m omega square r square sine square omega t. At mean position, kinetic energy is maximum and is given as k is equals to half m omega square r square. At extreme position, kinetic energy is 0. In SHM, the variation of kinetic energy with time is as shown in figure. The potential of a particle executing SHM when particle starts its motion from extreme position is given as P is equals to half m omega square x square. It's also expressed as P is equals to half m omega square r square cos square omega t. At mean position, potential energy is 0. At extreme position, potential energy is maximum and is given as half m omega square r square. In SHM, the variation of potential energy with time is as shown in figure. Total energy of a particle executing SHM is given as T is equals to half m omega square r square. Total energy is also expressed as T is equals to 2 pi square m f square r square, where f is frequency of oscillation, r is amplitude. In SHM, the variation of energy with respect to distance is as shown in figure. The average kinetic energy and average potential energy of a particle executing SHM is given as 1 by 4 m r square omega square. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe.